Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. Firstly, I will show you how to do this by default, and then I will show you how to customize it, so how we can add this feature to another gesture. Now, by default, to use it, you need to use your right earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have this wheel. This one is touch area. You need to press and hold at this touch area. And as you can see, I just call a Siri. Now, how to customize it? You need to open EARFUN audio application. And of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your headphones. Then scroll down, and you need to go to the customize controls. But firstly, make sure that you haven't it enabled, because if you disable all controls, you cannot use your gestures. And also right here we can disable on the left or right earbud. It's up to you, but I recommend it to disable this line. Now we can add it for the left or right earbud. Select the best one for you, and we can add it for the single press, double press, triple press, or press and hold. Let's say I want to add it for the double press for my left earbud. I just click at this line, and I need to select voice assistant. Now let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, I also awake a Siri with this method. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!